Imagine Elon Musk retiring and saying, "Now that I have the Model 3, I can stop working, live on an island and drink sambucas all day." How long do you think Tesla will last until it goes busted? The beauty of passive income. I'm on a beach, sat under the shadow of a palm tree, with a cocktail in my hand, admiring the turquoise water, while my bank account is growing. If this is your idea of passive income, well, the reality is way different. My name is Reda and my mission is to help you master your mind, money and destiny, bringing you one step closer to financial freedom. As an eager person to improve your finances, chances are that at least once you've searched on YouTube how to make passive income and watch a bunch of videos all giving you the same ideas. Create a YouTube channel. Pretty easy. Get in front of a camera, speak about something you're passionate about, put few affiliate links in the description and post it. You get paid for the ads on the video, the affiliate links will bring extra revenue, et voila! Passive income served on a silver plate. But you don't feel comfortable speaking to a camera. No worries, you can create a blog. Write about something you're passionate about, use some mumbo jumbo SEO tricks, create some affiliate links, or even better, create your own product, like a book or a course that you can sell, and there you have it. Easy passive income. Ah, wait, you are not good at writing? No problems. I give you the Amazon FBA model. Find a product that sells well on Amazon, buy it cheaper in bulk from China, send it to Amazon warehouses so that they can ship it each time someone buys it. If you don't have money to buy products from China, the solution is dropshipping. All you have to do is to find a product on AliExpress, sell it with a profit on your website, and when someone buys, you order it from AliExpress, which will directly post it to the customer. And tada! Another easy way for passive income. I can go on and on listing all the passive income models that you can find online. All of them are legit ways to make money. But none of these models are real sources of passive income. At least not the way you imagine. Here is what I mean. Most people see passive income as getting something for nothing or for very little work. They think that passive income equals retiring. This is far from the truth. Because on active income, you sell your time for money and you are limited to 24 hours a day. Of course, if you don't sleep, don't eat and never go to the toilet. Who needs these things anyway? Where on passive income, you sell something for money. This something is called value, and you can scale it. If you write a book that solves people's problem, you can sell it to millions, which will generate a huge revenue. But no matter what you choose, passive or active income, you will have to work, and work hard. The big benefit of passive income is freeing you from trading your time and allowing you to generate huge amounts of money. But remember, it is not free from work. Creating value requires more work than most hourly paid jobs. It took me more than 12 hours to create this video. I'm not even sure to be financially rewarded because you judge the value I offer. Even if you find it valuable and I make money, unless I keep posting a video every Monday, the value will slowly fade away. Because less people will watch my content and I will make less money. If the way you imagine passive income really exists, then the successful YouTubers would have stopped at their first video. Imagine Elon Musk retiring and saying, "Now that I have the Model 3, I can stop working, live on an island and drink sambucas all day." How long do you think Tesla will last until it goes busted? Look at Bill Gates. He was the CEO of Microsoft until 2008 and remained part of the board until 2020. I challenge you to name one person who created a great company and retired straight after. This information may be shocking. You had another vision for your future. The palm trees are starting to fade away. Your dreams were built on a wrong mindset. The so-called employee mindset, where everyone seeks a paycheck for minimum work. To achieve financial freedom, passive income and real change in your life, you have to switch to a business mindset. A business mindset involves hard work. Understanding that passive income is not about you being passive. The business mindset is not about chasing money, it's about giving value. To catch your cat who ran away, it's pointless to go after it and chase it up to every tree. But if you have his favorite food in your hand, he will be sitting on your lap in no time. There are many people who want to give value, but they don't understand what value is. Like this guy who wrote a fitness book in 1 week, published it on Amazon, and felt disappointed because he didn't get any sales. Can you guess why? He missed that there are a gazillion of other fitness books, most of them better than his. Or the guy who thought that it's a good idea to sell hair clips on Amazon, forgetting the other 100 sellers that sell the exact same product but cheaper. You have to understand, Unless you offer more value than anyone else, you won't be able to break through. Competition is hard. Even when you reach the top, it is harder to stay there. Competition will try to knock you down and take your place. This is the real reason why Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos and other successful people do not retire. Because just in a matter of time, someone else will bring better value. Financial independence also requires competing with yourself. To continue growing your business, you have to keep gaining more knowledge, constantly upgrading your value to others, simply because the level of success of your business is directly proportional to your level of knowledge. Let's go back to the previous example of the guy trying to sell his fitness book. The world doesn't need another fitness book that no one will read. And although the industry is crowded, it's not saturated. There are people having success every day. Not due to luck, but because they thought out of the box, worked harder and smarter than anyone else. With all honesty, the mindset of taking shortcuts, like those who ask what is an easy product to sell on Amazon or how to easily get views on YouTube, is just a waste of time. You need to strive to excel, otherwise you will die trying. Seeing passive income as a way to do nothing for the rest of your life is just chasing mediocrity. You will ask if I have to work harder for passive income, and I will not retire earlier. I am not even sure I will get paid for my hard work. So then, what's the point? Isn't it easier to be an employee? At least I am sure to get paid at the end of each month, and I get few weeks of holidays each year. Definitely. Entrepreneurship is not for everyone. It is for the untamed, for those who would rather work 80 hours for themselves than 40 hours for someone else. It is for those who refuse to have a boss, receive orders, ask for holidays, or miss most of the important events of their children, just because they were too busy to sell their time to someone else. It is also for those who want to choose where they want to live, not accepting to be tied to a place just because it's close to work. Or for those who understand that time is priceless. Therefore, trading it for money is complete nonsense, because they will never be able to buy it back. Yeah, entrepreneurship is the hardest form of work, but it also gives you the greatest reward, having control of your own life. So, think seriously about your today's situation. How happy are you with your life? If you continue this way, how will your life look like 20 years from today? Be honest with yourself. Would you consider that scenario as a total failure? When I picture myself in my 50s as an employee, trading my time for money, asking permissions for a day off, having performance reviews with my boss, I feel overwhelmed by fear. This, for me, represents failure. I don't mean to offend you with these words. This is just my perspective. Your reality may be different. You may love your job and feel fulfilled to do it until retirement. There is nothing wrong with that. You may value the comfort of a secured paycheck and paid holidays. That's also completely fine. So if that is what you really want, then by all means, go for it. Entrepreneurship cannot be for everyone, and that's completely normal. If everyone on this planet would think like me, then we would have no bankers, no teachers, no plumbers, and no doctors. But if you want passive income to be your reality, your current situation has to be painful enough to strive change. I choose to write a script, record, edit and publish this video because working for someone else is not an option for me. I have no choice. The same applies to you. Unless your situation is more painful than the pain of change, you will keep watching videos about passive income, dreaming on how nice it would be to sit on a beach, but you will never take action. If you really want change, the first step is to find your pain and leverage it. Make it your fuel. Pain wakes you up in the mornings when the motivation is not there. I strongly suggest you to read the book Unscripted by M.G. DeMarco. It will give you a framework to follow, but will also change your vision about what you can achieve in a lifetime. You will find the link in the description. I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video till the end, but don't go just yet. If you found value in this video, please let YouTube know so I can give value to more people. You can do that just by pressing the like button. It will help me a lot. Also, if you want to improve your finances and mindset, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified whenever I release a new video. See you next Monday.